You knew where I was going when I was in my mom's belly. You knew my future at 11 months when the preacher held me. Now I'm 19 and I'm a child of the King. Ministry is my dream, you bless me with everything. See, God's love is unconditional, and now I know why I feed myself with these words so I can grow to become one of those I've looked up to give myself knowledge so I can bring myself through. See, church has taught me a lot, and so has my parents. How did Jesus carry that cross? I couldn't bear it, the pain he had to face for us to live one life for our lives. That's a great gift to give. I love you with all of my heart and my soul, cause you're my blanket when this world gets cold, and you're my gas when my tank gets empty. You're my defense when Satan comes and tempts. I look me up when I was strong, took me in his arms knowing I was wrong, taught me how to live by this word and live by faith, gave me the will to go one more day. Now every day I look to the God above, he saved me in spite of my sins. That's unconditional love. That's unconditional love. It never fails. When I would call out your name, you were always there to ease my pain. I don't understand, you saved me in spite of my sins. I was dead, but with you is where my life begins. I walk it not with the ungodly, and I will not perish. I walk in your presence, and your word I will cherish. I refuse to only praise you when I get something nice, cause I serve the almighty King of Kings, Jesus Christ. You knew I wasn't clean, my ways are obscene. You gave me a path, a mission, and you gave me a dream. Now I'll follow you, I'm a sheep, you're my shepherd. I'll walk with you through fire, I'll walk through any weather. I'll walk with you like Enoch, I'll have faith like Abraham, hold your word like Moses, and I'll forever take a stand, because I've anchored myself in something that will stay. I don't want these worldly things, cause these worldly things fade away.